Hello everybody, this is DDK in her kitchens again, making my dinner for this evening. I am showing you a picture of Kowalski's beef. This is veal scallopini cube steaks that they customized just from moi. Isn't it wonderful to have superior markets in your own backyard, such as Kowalski's and the Kowalski's family? They are a wonderful group of people. I should know, I've worked with them on several special events. So, besides that, this is DDK's Veal Cutlets. It is in my first recipe book, DDK Recipes, Mediterranean Diet. But do remember, Mediterranean diet only means that it is good, fresh ingredients that do not have any preservatives in them, do not have any high fructose corn sugar in them, do not have any hydrated anything, do not, in other words, have any byproducts. Just good old-fashioned food for fuel for your bodies, okay? Both my books, DDK Recipe Books and the Mediterranean Diet Book 1 and What's My Dinner are both Mediterranean diet cooking and the way to eat good food, quality food, every day, each day. Put it in your bodies to fuel your bodies naturally with good food. Okay, so we got that cleared up. So tonight's meal, again, is veal scallopini, as you can see, made for me specially at Kowalski's Meat Market in White Bear Lake, in our White Bear Lake location. Now, what we're going to do with these little babies, we're going to dip them, and this is just liquid egg, okay? Just liquid egg. You can get any liquid egg. This fat-free, all right? Just all, and cholesterol-free, as you can see, okay? Cholesterol-free, fat-free, okay? Yay! All right. You're going to take one of these bad boys, okay? Now, these have already been cubed for me because they take the regular scallopini and then they run it through the cube steak machine twice in order to make it a cube steak. It makes it very tender, too. And it makes it perfect for what I'm doing for this meal, okay? All right, again, recipe in the DDK Recipe Book, Book 1, Mediterranean Diet. You're going to take this bad boy. You're going to dip it in there. That's how hard that is. Wow, this is hard. No, it's not. You can see that it's not, okay? We're putting it in an egg mixture, all right? We're getting it all nice and wet. And we want it all nice and wet because we're going to then dip it, come over here, and here's the breadcrumb mixture. Now, the breadcrumb mixture has these type of breadcrumbs on there. Bella Italian-style breadcrumbs. Panko breadcrumbs, Italian-style. It also has the following seasonings. Okay, you have garlic powder. Fine garlic powder is in this breadcrumb mixture. About a quarter teaspoon. Quarter teaspoon of basil, okay? Quarter teaspoon of onion powder. Eighth of a teaspoon of celery seed. Eighth of a teaspoon of sweet ginger. Eighth of a teaspoon of dill weed. Eighth of a teaspoon of caraway seed. Is all in this dry breadcrumb mixture. You mix it up. All those ingredients, of course, are all mixed up with a spoon, just like this. Okay, and then you're going to dip your veal cutlet in that dry mixture. Excuse me. Just like this. So it's covered really good. You just push it down like that. See how that nice and covered? It's nice and covered. Okay. Do it again. It's like rinse and repeat. Okay, you want it covered all over because it adds flavor and it adds moisture to cutlets. Because when you're making cutlets, they cook very quickly. So you don't want to overcook these, okay? These are supposed to be cooked medium to medium well, but not well done. Medium to medium well. Otherwise, it dries it out. Same way when you do pork cutlets or cube cutlets, beef cutlets. Don't want to dry it out. Okay, we're going to take the second one because there's two in this package. Going to do the same thing with the second one. Okay, we're dipping it in this egg mixture right here, as you can see. Very easy to do. Not complicated, girls or guys. You could do this for your girlfriend, you know, or your boyfriend. Fix them a really wonderful meal, or your wonderful family or friends. It is so easy to do. Okay, we're going to rinse and repeat again. Going to dip it into the breadcrumb mixture. We're going to cover the other side. Do it again. Take the loose breadcrumbs that are in the bottom of the bowl. Pick it up in your hands and push it into the patty. And voila, we're done. 2 patties. Okay, that didn't even take 5 minutes. Then you're going to fry them in vegetable oil, okay, which is right there, and a medium-sized saucepan for about 5 to 8 minutes for both sides total. Again, medium well, all right? You have a meal basically from start to finish in 10 minutes, okay? 10 minutes. Serve this with a side salad with my Greek dressing or Italian dressing on it, or my pickled green beans, or my pasta salad, or just rice or mashed potatoes, or just meat and some really good artisan bread and some cheese and some fruit. Your choices are many. You do not have to use all these seasonings that I use. You can tone it down and make it your own. There's a guideline in my book. This is another way to do it. And I'd love to see you try to see how really skilled you are when you cook my way, DDK's way. Easy, simple, delicious. Simplicity is the key here. The recipes are your answer to delicious food, healthy food for your family, for yourself, for your body, for your fuel. Do it today. Buy them today. My books are everywhere, or buy them from me, Moi, the author, at divadish67gmail.com, or my digits 612-859-3270. I accept Zelle or Venmo or cash or check. Just send me an email and let me know where you'd like to pick up the books. I will personally autograph them as well. Or I can mail them for an extra charge. I am making this so convenient for you because I want you to have my books. I hope you have a great evening. I hope you're having a great meal too. And you buy my books very soon. Got to go for now. I got to cook these babies for my dinner. Ciao.